I feel like isolation has affected me in more ways than I can contemplate at the moment. At first, I felt an enormous rush of euphoria. I had the possibility to finally have some time at home, and I thrived creatively. But after a week or so, I started to feel more and more disempowered, mainly because I began to experience it as a restriction. Yet I find that it is important to see the circumstances as an opportunity to evolve rather than as something negative. What I miss the most is my friends. I miss nature. I miss being able to walk through parks, and it will be so beautiful when I retrieve those things. Every day is so different from the other. Some days I feel the need to be productive and do a lot of things in order to have my mind on something. Even if I am alone at times, I feel surrounded by those imaginations who I feel close with. In certain ways, I feel closer to my family. When times are hard, it is vital to feel that you can lean on those around you. But I'm not gonna lie, things are not perfect. There are moments in which I want to run away as far as I can. But what I find the most fascinating is the fact that through hard times we have shown ourselves that we are strong enough, that we can somehow manage to move forward and support each other, to find the inner strength needed to appreciate life as it is and not how we wished it was. I used to see my surroundings in a certain way, and life has forced me to look at things from a different perspective. Maybe one day we will look past these days as a period of uncertainty, but also as a time which helps us shift our consciousness. I can almost see as in history books, the day that the world stood still. Kids studying in school how we were all forced once more to look past our own individual lives and realize that we're all somehow together. I have faith that things will unfold just as they have to.